At the house, and we're gonna be living there. Oh my god! My hair's not gonna be like this in the next like 30 seconds, so if you're confused, don't be confused. Welcome to today's video. Currently sitting at an empty part of my house right now. I have like 3 things to say, and I'm gonna get through them really quickly. Subscribe if you're not already. I wanna give a shout out to my parents, but especially my mom. She is practically the only reason why I have this opportunity right now to make these videos for you guys, to live in this house, and also to my dad for continuously supporting me and just always making me smile. And lastly, my boyfriend, actually the one who filmed this video, and I want to say this was only his like 2nd time filming anything. With that all being said, I now present to you my empty house tour. I love you guys so much. Hi guys, can you see me through this?
A little bit.
Welcome to my empty house tour 2022.
They can barely see you, right?
It's the official house tour. Anyways, first off, before you guys come in, we'll start off with this doorbell because I think it's the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna give you like a very in-depth tour because this house has a lot of like different things in it. So first off, there is this whole other door like right when you walk in, which I had no idea this was even here. This, you can practically put whatever you want in here. So like coats, jackets, shoes. It's huge. Just like I love that the fact that a lot of you'll see throughout the house, a lot of the storage units go pretty deep in, so you can like store so many things in here. But that's the first closet. You're gonna see a lot more closets moving forward. This is everything else, I guess. This is the living room. I don't know what this will exactly be. Dining room. And then this is my favorite part of the house, which is the kitchen. This is our kitchen. I love all the detailing on it. This is marble. See, this is the countertop. These are all the countertops. Lots of storage. I guess we'll start from like the very front of the kitchen. There's a bunch of cabinets. I'll definitely be doing a kitchen makeover or like kitchen organization stuff, so you'll like see this more in depth. Now there's like a bunch of storage things that we're working with. Down here, there's more like storage units. More storage units. This is our stove. I don't know, I just think the stove is so pretty. And I think there's like this, it comes with like a built-in, oh wait. That's dope. See, if you want to cook like steak, if you want to do like a Korean barbecue night, the appliances are like pretty much new. I don't really bake that much, but I do have roommates that are baking. Here's our microwave. It's a microwave. It's pretty. POV or microwave. Wait, let's close it. My last place, there was not that many places to put anything, but here there's like cabinets, infinite cabinets for this. There's one up here which I didn't even see, so this could be for like pots and pans, which perfect. And then down here, which we discovered this the other day, there's like a little put your spices, other snacks and knickknacks and stuff, which I think is just so clever, unique. It's a little cute detail, I think, to like the kitchen space. Oops. It smells like so brand new too. Here's underneath. Lovely. We have our dishwashing. Also comment down below if you guys are more of like washing your dishes by hand, or do you use your dishwasher? Because back at home I use my dishwasher, but like when I was living at the apartment, my roommates actually cleaned it by hand. I don't know what saves more water. I think this one, right? No. Especially because when I wash my dishes, I have that, it's like running for a long time because
that's what I do.
I'm using a lot of, anyways, this is also one of my favorite parts of the kitchen. It's the sink. It's so fancy. Back at my old place, you would know, Ernie, it's a mess. It's horrid. It's actually clogged up many times, and to have a new sink, I definitely would say I'm very grateful for. Like for your dishes and everything. Last part of the kitchen, more storage cupboards. You guys probably don't really need to see that, but oh, they also have like these little drawers. The wood detailing here is really pretty. Also back here, I would say we'd probably put our like spoons and forks here because, you know, like when you're like serving people food, you're like, oh, let me just get you a fork. You have the big old fridge here. This is also new. See, I didn't even know Samsung had like fridges and stuff.
I mean, they're like the most like, what's it called? Technological? There you go.
That's interesting. This is the fridge. It's beautiful. We do have one bag from Jack in the Box here, so I'll have to take off like all the plastic and everything, but that's that. I will be doing probably like a fridge kitchen organization video. Okay, but this is probably a really cool feature that we didn't even know, actually existed in this kitchen, which is a spice rack. This is some vintage, old, like unique little like detailings in this house that I love. Moving on, this is like our other room. This is our laundry room and this is our guest bathroom, is what it is. We do have some like storage, so obviously a laundry room organization video will be coming there for that. You know, like when people put, have you seen like the videos where they put in Tide Pods and like organize?
Sort of.
They put it in like glass jars and it's like really aesthetic. So this is what I thought was really cool. They have like this, you can pull it out and fold your clothes. I'm guessing this is something they use like back in the day. And they also have like other storage. So there's, like I said, infinite amount of storage in here. Like there's absolutely no way you could ever run out of storage. In fact, they even have one more big storage. So this is it. My whole body fits in here, so I'm guessing we at some point we should definitely play hide and seek. I used to like be obsessed with having a locker, so I feel like we could make this into like a little locker storage unit, books and like school stuff. Then we have the bathroom, which actually covers up with this. We have this nice circle mirror here. They have the lighting. I love the lighting in here. It's very like warm and really compliments. This will be for guests whenever they care to use the bathroom. It's super cute. And then there's a fire extinguisher there, and then there's this is the fireplace. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with this room yet. Also, I know my voice is probably echoing horribly with this camera because it doesn't have a mic, so I apologize for that. This is our fireplace, which I've never had a fireplace before. I think Christmases here are gonna go so hard. They're gonna be really fun, and we can put a tree there, tree here. I think this is a really cute detail to the house. Like I said, it's very modern, but there are like little things that just make it so unique in its own way. So here you can, you know, obviously put your stockings and everything. Yeah, just sitting here vibing. Pretty much the rest of this like spacing is pretty huge, and I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with it yet. Here, this door leads to the outside, but we'll head out here there. I'll show you guys everyone else's rooms. Other storage units, more closets. Not really that important, but literally, like I said, switch closets. More cabinets. I guess you could put, you know, lots of towels, blankets, and sheets. So there are 3 people living here with me, which I don't think I ever explained that. I'm not renting this house to myself. They can also put all their belongings here. I'm just gonna briefly show you guys their rooms. In these rooms, my favorite thing about them are their sliding mirrors, which are very convenient. You don't have to bring in mirrors in here. And then they also have like little like hooks, so you put all your storage, your clothes here. Like all the doorknobs and even the little knobs on the furniture too. It reminds me of, yes, that's it. 3 up there, 3 of those down there, and then some other storage stuff here, more down here. They do get really nice lighting in here because their windows are pretty big. And then this is my other roommate's room. I'm pretty sure she put some like scents, so it smells really good in here. The structure of her room is really pretty. Like the ceiling is really detailed and I like how it looks. Pretty much has the same thing going on here. I love it. Okay, so this door leads to the bathroom that 3 people will be sharing. I love, again, the detailing here. Everything about this bathroom is just very kind of like old but modern looking. And then here they have 3 different like openings. So it's one here, another one in the middle, and then another one on this side, which I thought was perfect since there are gonna be 3 people sharing this room. And then there are just like more storage over here. More down here, more here. They have their own little drawers on the sides, more storage down there. I think since we do have like other storage areas on the outside of this room, they can also just store other stuff for their bathroom if they'd like, guest materials, towels. This is their shower. I think it's so cute and I love the glass, love the tile. They also have these like 2 glass shelves, which I thought was like a nice detail, and they can just put plants or whatever they choose to put there. Another closet that's like right by my friend's room. Look at all these like candles, they're so cute. This is one of my best friend's rooms. Probably met her, Giselle. She'll be living with me as well, which that'd be really cool. She has a little bit of a bigger room than the other 2, and her sliding mirrors are huge. She also gets really nice lighting in here. I'm now gonna show you guys my room, which obviously, I said the kitchen was my favorite part, but my room, once it's all decorated and everything, I'm gonna love it. Down this hall, it's a pretty long hall, and this is it. Hey guys, okay, this is my room. First thing, I'll show you guys this like my light switch. So obviously it turns off and on here, but you can also like dim the lights. So there's like a little lever here.
What the? That's crazy. That's crazy. I didn't know you had that.
This is my bathroom. Okay, so this is my bathroom. You guys are gonna see a lot more of it, obviously, in these upcoming videos and everything, because I'll do a whole bathroom organization video. But there's a lot of cabinets here. There's a lot of like storage that I'm working with. Here we have like the same mirror situation going on, so I can put all my skincare here. And for like when friends come to visit, you can do face masks and everything. Lots of storage to place a lot of things. Definitely gonna be organizing these, which is gonna be like the funnest part. We do have the 2 glass shelves here also, so I'll definitely be putting some plants here. This is the cool part, my shower. It has this big glass door. You guys can count in. I have 2 shower heads for some interesting, weird reason, but I think that's kind of cool. You can also do it at the same time if you like. That's my bathroom so far. So pretty. I love it. This toilet's really, it's really nice. This is my walk-in closet, I guess you would say. This is a walk-in closet, right? The owners before already had like their IKEA stuff or whatever. I don't know where these are from, but they already had, you know, this whole setup, so it's still here and I'll be able to use that, which is pretty cool. So my closet does need a little bit of like work to put together. Like I probably need to repaint over that. He just fixed that. It looked a little crooked before. So I do have a door that connects right to the outside and it's like right by my room. So here's my room and here's the door. So I'll show you guys a little bit of the outside. We do have like a whole other room that's outside connected to our garage. As if they don't know you're in this video already. He's gonna go out that way. There's a little glimpse of what the outside looks like. This is probably like my favorite detailing of it. I feel like this would be such a like cute little photo shoot moment. Over here, we have this massive shed. I don't know what we're gonna put up in here, but I feel like this could be a whole other room. One of our friends could just sleep in here if we really if you really needed to. Love having a shed. Another one here. Look at these pretty flowers. They're so pretty. Our garage is right there, but we have this whole other room that next to the garage, which is pretty huge, which you're gonna see right now. I don't even know if we're gonna put our cars in here. I don't know what we're gonna do with this room yet because obviously it's pretty huge and I think it could be like a fun escape from like the house, like something completely different. I feel like a whole different aesthetic in here, so like neon lights, just an escape basically from, you know, whenever you wanna be done with school or like hang out with your friends. Like this could be a chill spot. Lock that bitch up, eh?
Hey, mate.
Smile. Completely forgot to give an outro to this video, but again, subscribe. See you guys in the next moving in vlog because that's the next video. Love you guys.